Why, hello there, everybody. How's it going? We are in Joyful Journey Hot Springs, middle of Moffett, Colorado. If you ever get a chance to drive through Colorado, one of the most beautiful states in the United States, I recommend checking out the hot springs. This one's filled with lithium, so it's slowing you down a little bit. I did do all the algorithms for everybody, and I can tell you that there are a couple picks in college basketball. San Jose State is plus 4.5. That was the underdog that it picked. In hockey, it is actually the Colorado Avalanche are the number 2 pick of the day over Philadelphia, and the number 1 pick of the day in hockey is Dallas over Arizona, but Arizona is just terrible, and the line's awful there too. And then in NBA, it has Charlotte Hornets actually being a underdog to win. However, they're really injured at like 67% health or something like that. So those are the underdogs. I will post the picks in this video description. I'll actually post a snapshot, and you can check them out yourself. Other than that, I can just tell you this is a really awesome way to relax and cleanse yourself out. Yeah, it is. It's great. All right, so good luck, everyone. May all your picks be winning.